Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 7 and 8 combinedly. I am writing question number 7 and 8 in a combination that a right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the sides 12 cm and 5 cm respectively. इसका मतलब एक ट्राइंगल है जिसका साइड्स 5 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर और 13 सेंटीमीटर है. एक बार 12 सेंटीमीटर को बेस बना के उसको रिवॉल्व कराना है और एक बार 5 सेंटीमीटर को फिक्स करके उसको रिवॉल्व कराना है. तो आफ्टर रिवॉल्विंग यू विल गेट अ कोन. ओके, सपोज फर्स्ट कंडीशन में हमने लिया इट इज द height of 12 centimeter and this is the 5 centimeter and it is 12 centimeter height and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Okay, when you revolve around 12 centimeter, when you revolving on the, अभी यहाँ पकड़ के जब हम इसको घुमाएंगे तो ये आप क्या देखोगे कि ये it becomes like this, isn't it? That means this is the radius 5 centimeter and it is height 12 centimeter and this is the slant height 13 centimeter in this case. But if we are revolving according to around 5 centimeter, that means अगर मान लो ये ऐसा होगा, it is 5 centimeter, it is 12 centimeter and it is 13 centimeter and after revolving we will get in this way. Here that means 12 centimeter is the radius. In this case it is first case, it is second case. In this case here radius is equal to 5 centimeter, height is equal to 12 centimeter and here radius is equal to 12 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Two cases we have. In these two cases we have to find the volume. So volume is equal to, in the first case volume is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square, that is 5 square into 12, that is 3 4 are 12, that is 5 into 400 pi centimeter cube is the volume of in the first case. In the second case volume is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi into r square, that is 12 into 12 144 into 5. Clear? 144 will cancel out by 3, 3 4 are 12, 3 8 are 24. So volume is equal to 40 into 5, that is 240 pi centimeter cube. We have to find the ratio of the volumes of two solids obtained. Here we have got one solid, second solid. Volume of first solid is 100 pi centimeter cube and volume of second solid is 240 pi centimeter cube. Now the required ratio is equal to 100 pi ratio 240 pi, isn't it? That means 100 pi upon 240 pi, pi cancel, 0 0 cancel, 5 2 5s are and 2 12s are, that is 5 is to 12 is the required ratio of two solids, of the volume of two solids obtained. Okay, so pause the video to be noted down.